If you got a BMW that has the iDrive, which has the inbuilt service history in it, one of the very useful things you can do is actually flick back and see all of these service intervals that it's had recorded previously. On the flip side of that, if you're doing work on a vehicle and you need to input some information and update that service history, you're going to have certain tools to do that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it on this vehicle. So the vehicle I'm working on is a 2017 X5. I've flicked on the ignition, I go to my vehicle, I go to vehicle status, service history, and I'm able to see the list of inputs that were previously done by BMW and all the service history that this iDrive has stored. The tool I'm using to actually input the service information is a Thinktool X2. This is my daily user, and it has the capabilities to carry out this service input. So with that tool, you go to service function, which is special function, then into maintenance, service record, and add or delete service record to the HU. When you get into that section, you're clicking independent dealer, because you're not going to be going through BMW unless you have this tool in the dealer itself. Then you're going to be inputting the odometer of when it was done. Now I'm going off the service record of the vehicle on this one because this was done a while back and I'm updating it for the customer. They had realized that the service history hadn't been up to date with previous. Then I'm showing you a vehicle inspection because I have multiple ones to do. I'm clicking the independent dealer, and then I'm inputting the garage code that you would have if you're a DIYer and you have the capabilities. You would probably put in random digits in that section. You would put in the mileage then in this one, and it's 124,000 is on the clock when this was serviced. So I input that in place. I then put in the date that it was done at, which was 2024 August, and it was the 28th when this service was carried out. Now I have a couple more of these to do, but that is how you input them, and then when you go back out and you check your service history, you can then see it's been updated and all the mileages are correct, and this is now all done. If you've got these vehicles coming into your workshop, make sure that you're updating the service history after every service that's carried out. This can be a great inconvenience and annoyance to customers. I've seen a number of times over the last few years where vehicles are getting serviced regularly, but people aren't updating that service history. Whether they don't have the compatible tools or whether they don't know, make sure that you are doing it if it is in your workshop, so the customers can keep track of it. If they go to sell it, they will also have people checking it and they're able to see that, yeah, this vehicle has been serviced up to date and when it should. I really hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.